got another unboxing of the Warrior brand Big City Fountains pack. It's all safe and sane. Just gonna show you what it looks like real quick. Then I'll take everything out. Sorry about the glare. So yeah, that's a quick glance at it. Let's go ahead and cut it open so you can see what comes inside. Alright, first one we got is Dancing Party. Interesting. We got we got two here. Got Bullet. Feels like a 1-tube fountain. Got a starter up. These back here. We got Black Coffee. It's kind of cool. Sweet Tea. Don't seem to be labeled for effects. Oh well. We got a nightlight. A box of, what are these? Happy Families. 6 of them in there. A highest award. Little box of pops or snaps. Got plenty of those. Into the Night. It's a little 4-pack of those. Magic Fountain. Got Best Record Fountain. Let's move this out of the way. A single, another one of these Into the Nights. This one's kind of messed up. But, so we got 5 of those. A Starry Night Fountain. We got a 4-pack of Garden in Heaven and a single Space Party. Got a Curtain Call. Let's move on to the bigger ones. We got a Skyward Torch. Oh, this one's bigger. Ride the Light. A 1 Spark. It's a big one. And the last one is Mystic Mind. It's not bad. Not the best, but not bad. So in total you're getting about, I think, 31 fountains altogether. Which isn't bad. Not for the price I paid, which was about 75 bucks for this. Over here at the stands, they'd probably be about, this one alone, probably like 200 bucks. So for me, this was a steal. I know they may not be the best fountains, but it's still something. Thanks for watching, guys.